This is the elevator at Macy's, Mall, Columbia, Maryland. Schindler MT. This is a 300A. Kicking off our next off our Maryland series is this. Lantern doesn't work. Oh, nice cab. Go 3. Here we go. This thing's a death trap. Joe Gross Properties, you need to fix your elevator. Also, that fan's annoying.
You did have a hard time making it up to 3 stories.
Probably low on oil.
We gotta go back.
Go down to 1. Door close does not work, so I'm not pressing it. Air current changes before it starts. This thing is terrible. There are your fixtures, empty, ADA phone slapped on, key switches, and fire service. Stop you 2.
Then shush if people get on board.
Go down.
Yeah.
1.
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. 2,500 pound capacity. There's your fire service light. Call cancel. Key switch for the fire service mode itself.
He likes elevators.
Nice wood cabs. I'm getting off this thing. I'm not riding this again until it gets fixed.
Yeah, it's a little bit rough, huh?
Again, GGP Incorporated, you need to fix your elevator.